Lesson 6. Today we're going to teach you how to filter, how to sort, and how to format using Excel. We have some sample data in here for us to work with. The first row, first name, last name, age, and location, is actually just going to be our headers. If I select that, under the Home tab on the top right, we have a sort and filter icon that I can click and click filter. This will actually give us the drop down icon. If I wanted to filter, I can click that drop down icon and go to the very bottom. We have the select all option. The select all shows us that currently we have all the locations selected. If I want to deselect, I can click select all again and choose, let's say, Texas, for example, and then press OK. And as you can see, our data has now been updated to only show us Texas. Again, if I want to select all the data, I will select that icon again, come down, click select all, okay, and we're back to our regular data set. Now, let's say I want to go ahead and sort by age. So we have the age icon here. We can, again, select our drop down, sort from, let's say, largest to smallest, and that will update our data set. We also have an option here for Format Painter, which is a really cool option for us to always use. If I change the font from California to, let's say, Arial, and I want the rest of the data set to match that, I can select Format Painter under the Home tab and select the rest of our data. And as you can see, this will update our data to match California, the current font, which is Arial.